Let's solve this example. We are asked to evaluate 3 over 7 of 12. Solution. 3 over 7 of 12 means we have 3 over 7 multiplied by 12. And we have a whole number here which we have to write as a fraction. So this becomes 3 over 7 multiplied by, writing 12 as a fraction would have it as 12 divided by 1. Now with the division line, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So we have 3 multiplied by 12 and then 7 multiplied by 1. Now 3 multiplied by 12 will give us 36. And 7 multiplied by 1 will give us 7. We simplify this further. Now you see that 7 goes in 36 5 times, because 7 multiplied by 5 gives us 35. So it will go 5 times, leaving us a remainder of 1. So we write that remainder as 1, and then we keep the denominator, which is 7. So our final answer is 5 whole number 1 over 7. Thank you.